Welcome back to our second Lithgow episode. Last time we saw you, we decided to head back the way we came out from the Cox River and Lake Lyell area, heading over to Ben Bullen where we'll drive the Mofits Trail. We check out some cliffside views along the beautiful Wolgan Valley escarpment and stop by the Blackfellow's Hand Cave, which displays beautiful traditional Indigenous paintings. We also stop off at a bush camp out in Newnes area to discuss about what's locked and what's not, and of course we finish the episode up at the Lost City. Thanks for watching guys, and I really appreciate the support. Rightio, last little kind of steep pinch till we cruise out to the Cox River on the way back, so Laura's going to run up and take a video, see if I can get up this one. A little reminder guys and girls, if you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. It keeps me motivated to keep filming these trips, and I really appreciate your support, so thanks so much. One thing these damn GoPros are really good at is not showing the incline of these hills. I can tell you now, this hill that we're on is a lot steeper than what it looks on the camera. How good is this spot along the Cox River? I just couldn't help myself, we had to pull over, have a bite to eat, and it was just asking for some drone shots. I was literally just about to chuck a line in and catch a bunch of trout, but 3 forbies and a motorbike just went through, so I'll leave the trout. I'll leave it for today. I'll get them another time. How's that for a lunch spot? So we've decided we're going to head out of Lake Lyell side today. We've had our adrenaline forward driving. It's enough for us with one car. And then we're going to head over to Ben Bullen, out past Ben Bullen, and then there's Mofits Fire Trail out there, which is a green/blue track, the maps say. And we're going to try find a camp out there, maybe do Blackfellow's Hand Cave tomorrow and Lost City. So stick with us and we'll show you a camp out that way. Cheers. The moto. refreshing. This spot is a pearler. You are the best wife. Mmm. Delicious. Thank you. Alright, so we're coming out a little dirtier than what we came in, but we're back at the Links Road, well, Link Road. And because we didn't do Pajero Hill, I'm not sure if you can go through Pajero Hill and out the other side of Lake Lyell. In the comments, let me know if you've done that. But we're coming back out Link Road, and then we're going to head over to Ben Bullen and go into that Mofits Fire Trail. So bear with us. Alright, Hutchison Road is what we've turned onto, and we're going to Ballbone Gap, which is part of this, is it it's part of the Mofits Trail. So turn on Hutchison Road, right on Hutchison's Road, and head straight down the dirt track.
Mofits Fire Trail is an easy dirt road, but it does open up to some stunning views of the Wolgan Valley, so it's well worth it.
Not sure how you're pronouncing it. Mofits Pagodas, but there's always a bunch of tosses. Why would you? Just take your rubbish with you. That's all good. Not sure if you can see it on the GoPro, but cruising down into like a different world. It was dusty and dry at the top, and now you drop down into a green valley with this rock escarpment towering over you. It's pretty awesome. So this is off Valbone Track. Check out the view. That's part of the Wolgan Valley, I'm assuming. Chuck up the drone, try to get a few shots. Laura likes standing on edges. How beautiful is that? So we're on, well, the last sign we saw was National Trail. It's off Balbone Trail, heading towards Blackfellow's Cave. And I just stopped to have a little look at this section. It's easy, but check out the rocks. So many of these rock formations all the way through Lithgow, and it's kind of good because even if it rains, you know, at least at least you know the roads are solid.
So this here is the entry to Blackfellow's Hand Cave. The walk from the car park's only roughly 300 metres, so it's not far in. And just coming in here gives you goosebumps. This place is still very significant to the Aboriginal people and was back in the day. It was found in 1907 and it dates back to 500 to 1600 years old. And there's over 50 stencils of hands and spears and feet on the walls. So it's pretty amazing looking at this and picturing the tribes in there at the time. It's amazing.
Look at the hands, wow. Wow, look at them all. Obviously these would have all been more prominent, but people probably wouldn't be able to help themselves by touching them. But yeah, this is Aboriginal artwork. That is pretty amazing. Oh, that's a boomerang.
Oh yeah, 2 boomerangs and a hand.
Gives you chills. That's pretty cool thinking. Back in the day, the native Australians, Indigenous people, were here painting on these very walls. Unreal. That was Blackfellow's Cave. So at the moment, Blackfellow's Trail is closed for maintenance, which has been closed for maintenance for how long? Like
From September till March.
from September till March, but yeah, holiday period. Surprise, surprise, national parks. But yeah, so Blackfellow's Hand Trail is closed at the moment. So if you're coming up here, check your maps. You're gonna have to go around it. How's the spread? Camp number 2 in the trees. So this time, what are we thinking? Lake Lyell side, way better at the moment. This side,
It's been closed.
yeah, a lot of it's been closed. Blackfellow's Hand Trail was closed. What was the ridge one here?
Sunnyside Ridge.
Sunnyside Ridge was closed. There's heaps of infrastructure works going on in here. They've spent millions out here. But all the roads have been cleared for like haul roads out here. So it's been a boring drive a little bit today. Not as many hard tracks. So we're going to have a look at the Lost City tomorrow. Have a chilled camp. And yeah, enjoy it. Is there anything better? Sitting back with a beautiful wife, brownie points, around a beautiful camp. Just showing everyone how a camp should be left. Like you'll never hear except your little fire pit and a stack of wood for the next people. I only keep saying it because some people aren't catching on for some reason. Anyway, today we're going to roll out and we're heading to the Lost City, and then we're probably going to head out and go home. So cheers for watching. We'll catch you down at Lost City. Now what the best part about bringing your wife along camping? I've brushed my teeth every morning and I've had a new shirt every day, and I've changed my undies every day. Amazing. So what we found is on new tracks, it says the Lost City Trail, it's all black, but it's definitely not a black track. It's all been graded. It's pretty much just a nice fire road down into here now. So The whole area has been redeveloped pretty much for new infrastructure. They've obviously paid them extra to do all the roads in here, so even all the blues and black trails have now been graded. Pretty much most of it, from what we've seen, is just fire trail. The Lost City. There's something about this place that literally does feel like a lost city. Like all the rock structures are little buildings. Unreal view. What do you reckon up there?
Pretty good.
This is one cool view. How you going? National Parks, just a $15 fee for being here, thanks. Well, that wraps up our Lithgow trip. We made it to the Lost City. Our last episode, we did the Lake Lyell side. We did some good four-wheel drive tracks out there, the Cox River, and then we crossed over this episode. We started at Ben Bullen Trail, went to Mofits Trail on the maps. We went to Blackfellow's Hand and across to a little camp out at Lithgow here near the Lost City. Not realising the whole place is a construction site pretty much out here, so a lot of the blue tracks, black tracks on new maps and your maps online are going to show harder than what they actually are. But all in all, the place is good. It's been an awesome trip and we hope you enjoyed the episode. Thanks so much for cruising along with us, and Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Thank you.